Well friends, open up your browser and search for WordPress download and open the first link, and I'm going to hit this blue button, download WordPress, and here you can see the zip file is downloading. Well friends, WordPress zip file download is complete. Now I'm going to launch Xampp server. I'm going to search for Xampp. Already I have it. I'm going to click Xampp control panel. I have already installed Xampp server. If you don't have it, just watch this video. I'll provide the link in the video description. Okay, here you can see Apache. I'm going to start this, and here you can see MySQL. I'm going to also run this. We need Apache and MySQL. Well friends, we need to access the htdocs folder of our Xampp server. So click on Explore. Let's get into the htdocs folder. Double click on it, and here it is. And now I'm going to just bring this zip file to here. Just hold it, drag and drop here. So the zip file is copied under htdocs. Now I need to unzip this WordPress zip file. Here it is a zip file. I need to unzip this. Just right click on it and click extract all. Click extract. Well friends, now we have got a new folder. Just go inside it, and here goes our main WordPress folder, and click on it, and here you can see all the WordPress related files. So what I'm going to do, just get back and now copy this folder, get back to htdocs and paste here. That's fine. Now we need to rename this folder. I'm going to name it testsite, and it will be our website name, testsite. Okay, so now open up our browser and http://localhost/testsite. Hit enter. Well friends, here goes the WordPress setup configuration page, and I'm going to hit continue. And it says we need a database name, database username, password and host. Okay, let's again open a tab and type http localhost. Hit enter, and here you can see phpMyAdmin. Just click on it, and here you can see database. Click on it, and here you can see database name. I'm just going to name it testdb. And here you can see create button. Click on it, and now we have got a new database, that is testdb. And let's come back, hit let's go, and our database name is testdb. Username is root by default, no password, localhost, table prefix is right, and hit submit. And hit run installation. Now here we see this window. First of all, set the site title, username devadmin, easy password for the development purpose. Check this box, enter your email address, and finally hit install WordPress button. Congratulations, we could successfully install WordPress. And here you can see login button. Just click on login button, and I'm going to enter devadmin, password, hit login. Wow, here is our WordPress dashboard. We could successfully install WordPress. And come over here and click visit site. And here is our website.